Welcome to my guide. DMart installation in registers. Click here. Search DMart here. Type DMart. Click here to install DMart app. Please click here. Click here to open. Your DMart app is installing. Showing progress here. Launch your page of DMart. Enter your PIN code, for example for 452006 is for indoor. Select this. Your address location is selected on behalf of your PIN code. Click here to proceed. Here you can show your entered PIN code. So here is your home screen where you can search or select your product by category. You can also search your product in search bar, for example silver coin for wheat flour. Type here. Click here to add to cart. Click here to add to more item to cart. You can see you have added items successfully. Like this, you can also increase and decrease quantity by pressing +/ button, and you can also see rate at which you are going to purchase with amount. Click here to proceed to checkout. Like this, you can all item to you checklist, and your checklist is shown below like this. Then click here proceed. If you are new user, click here to do registration for filling name, mobiles, no and set password. Fill all the details and click on register. And then click here. Sign in with your mobile number and password and click on sign in. Click on sign in. After successfully logging, you can see your list. You can click on proceed to pay for final step. Click here for home delivery. Tap here to select date and time slots when you want to deliver your product at shipping address. You can also see delivery charge. For now, booking time slot are not available, but once available you will shown a confirmation page in next slide image. It seems like that. You can see select date and time slot here where you can watch time and date of delivery for your groceries. Select payment mode cash on delivery. Click on confirm to confirm your order. Your confirm orders now. Total amount to be paid while cash on delivery. Your order placed successfully. Here is your name, place and landmark option. Thank you for using my guide.